So guys, andito na naman po tayo sa shopping. Ayan guys, magtingin-tingin nga po tayo guys. Kung ano po yung mga meron dito. Ayan, parang masarap ito. How about this one? Is this good? Do you want to try that one? Or this? Or this? Wala. Okay, you can get pola in that. Tingin tayo guys. Pero bibili ako ng vitamins ko guys. Ito. Kasi kailangan ko ngayon guys ng vitamins. Lalo na guys pag lamig. Ayan, omega 3 and vitamin A, D, and E. Ayan guys. Kukunin ko po ito guys.
That takes about 650 each.
Iyo. Yung kukunin ko ito guys. Ayan, kukunin natin yan guys. Just get that one.
This.
Iyo. Do you want to try also that? You can get that. Tingin tayo guys kasi. Ano ba to? Beef flavor. Tingnan natin guys. Ano nila. Parang hindi naman yata masarap yan. Gusto ko yung ano. Kunti na lang naman kaming ano guys. Ilang araw lang naman na kami guys. Malayas na kami. Kailangan ko lang po ng ano ng noodles na medyo pangpainit lang natin ng katawan natin guys. Kasi pag naghigop din po tayo ng sabaw tapos maanghang siya guys. Maganda po yun, nakaka-relax po yan guys. So, I need to get something. Kaso, I think this okay? Senpai. Where is this from? Senpai.
Vegetable flour.
Yeah, but I want spicy. They have spicy beef flavor. Just get two. Just get two now.
This.
Just get two because look at that.
You go by this and this. And another.
Ew.
Full line.
Get that.
What you want?
Because that is for two. Get also this other one. This chicken flavor. I'll try this chicken. This is chicken.
You want this?
No, this is chicken. I don't want that biggie.
Yeah, but this is
Yeah, this is this.
that's plain.
Ay naku, bahala ka dyan. Ang kulit-kulit ng kasama ko dito guys. Alam nyo guys, mahirap talaga pag may kasama kang lalaki na ano, na mag-groceries. Nako, talagang ano talaga, ipilit pa niya yung gusto niya. Ganyan talaga guys. And dito tayo sa ano guys, mga vitamins. Ayan. Tignan natin yung mga ano. Pero okay na siguro yun sa akin. Babaunin ko rin yung iba guys. Ayan, guys. Do we need Perry? This one. Look. It's very big.
Yeah, but,
That is very big.
but we don't have now that back.
It's up to you. It's your fault. How can you carry everything? Sabi ko kasi sa kanya kanina, magbaon siya ng bag. I told you, this box. This is my box. Chocolate box. Alam nyo guys, basta ako po yung mapunta dito guys. Diyos ko.
Strawberry.
Puro tayo, ano guys, puro lang tayo mga
Strawberry.
tsokolate, puro, parang nakakaano rin guys. Dami natin guys. O, nandiyan pa yung mga ano nila. Diyos ko, anong petsa na. Meron pa silang ganyan, oh. Na itsura. Ito guys, masarap din ito guys. Oh, sarap din siya. I will get that. I will get that bag. Ayan siya, guys. Thanks for watching. Follow me for more updates. Like and share. Bye.